Yan ang mga idol, alright, patsinsuin mo na yung service ni Boss Genesis. Alright. Yung takbo niya kasi 280 lang. Yan muna ni shout out. Shout out
mga kabayan natin na mga kwapo.
Ito yata yung bagong mekaniko eh.
Oo, bago.
Yung taga Nigeria.
Eh, masipag pa.
Nigeria to eh.
Masipag no.
Where are you from, my friend? Where are you from? Africa? Huh? O Sudan?
Sudan.
Sudan o Africa? Africa o Sudan? Africa? Africa pala eh. Africa?
Sudan is in Central Africa.
Ah, okay,
We
okay.
are from West Africa.
West Africa.
We have Central Africa, East Africa, South Africa. Understand?
Sudan.
So Sudan is in Central Africa.
Where in East Africa?
East
Central.
Ha?
Africa. No, West Africa, West Africa.
West Africa where?
Gambia, Gambia.
Gambia. Central pala ng Africa yung Sudan. Sentro niya pala. Alright. So, ayun
We
muna.
have Philippines in Gambia. We have Philippines in Gambia.
Pundido na no, pundido. Simple testing. You have married?
Yes, I'm married.
Three wife?
Huh?
Three wife?
No!
No, ha?
Only one.
Mashallah.
Only one.
Only one, ha?
Only one. Maybe after you give me one Philippine wife.
Ay,
Two.
ay.
One Gambian, one Filipino.
You need Filipino?
Yes.
Like, Lutine.
One Gambian, one Filipino.
Ang problema, kung magustuhan ka nila, Englishin mo.
Yun.
Englishin mo. Sabihin mo.
Galit.
Chinsoil mo na, chinsoil.
How many kids?
Two boys.
Ito?
For the meantime.
Yung mekaniko na yung tropa. Hira naman yan. Alright. Problema nito, yung one. Yung brake. Yung brake niya, okay naman. Yung parking niya. Yung sumindi.